it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with Hi you guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I just want to give you some tips on how I stay young at 47 and feel 27. Alright guys, yeah, life is too short to be sitting around and just worrying about your age and getting older. So I just always love to enjoy every single day of life that I am given. The first thing I like to do, I love to spend time with my husband. My husband is my best friend. We have a ball together. He is so funny. We just trip out and just have a really good time, especially on date night, Spending time with my family, my husband and my family is just one of the things I love to do. I love to take long walks and exercise with my Sheba, and my mom back there. She's trying to stay out the camera, but I'm going to put it in here. Can you believe she is 70? Well, she will be 70 in August. The things that I'm telling you is what I've learned from her, to always stay active and just enjoy every single day that God has given you. I mean, you only have one life, might as well enjoy it. I also love to read. I love to read, and just sometimes when things come to my mind, I like to just jot down little bits of information, that I have going on. Another thing I love to do is exercise, and really trying to keep my body in shape, because as we get older, we may get a little bigger sometimes, but I like to try to stay on it and, keep up. After a long, hard workout, I love to take a nice, relaxing bath, a nice bubble bath, usually a detox bath, and this is organic bubbles, the bubble bath. So yeah, I love to take a relaxing bath. And skin, taking care of my skin is very important. It's one of the most important things that we can do. So yeah, guys, this is my little tips. Just to share a few little tips with you. Remember, enjoy every minute of your life. Life is too short. Age ain't nothing but a number. Peace and love, guys. Until next time. Bye.